Hello my dear students, welcome to chemistry classes. Students, in the previous class we learnt about the physical and chemical classification of matter and branches of chemistry. Okay, in the physical classification of matters are classified into three types: solids, liquids and gases. In the physical classification of matters are classified into mainly three types. One is solid, another one is liquid, and third physical states of matter, that is gases. Okay, solid, liquid, gases. Students, these three states are interconvertible. Means when you heat the solid, it easily converts from solid to liquid, and if you further heating, these liquids become gaseous molecules. And reverse process, if you remove the energy from the gaseous molecules, it will convert it into liquid, and you again remove the energy from liquid state, it will convert it into solid state. Students, simple. When you heat the solid, it will convert it into liquid state. For example, you can take ice. Ice is the best example for a solid state. When you heat the ice, it will convert into liquid like water. Okay, again if you heat the liquid, for example, liquid nothing but water. Okay, if you heat the water, it will convert it into vapors, nothing but gaseous state. Okay, solid, if you heat, it becomes liquid. Further heating, liquid becomes gases. And student, one more point you have to know, that when you remove the energy from gaseous molecule, it will convert it into liquid state. Okay, so now we heat in the form of energy. Here also heat, nothing but in the form of energy. When you remove the energy from the gaseous molecules, it will become the liquid state. Again, if you remove the energy from the liquid molecule, it will convert it into solid state. Okay, that is why these three states are interconvertible. These three states are interconvertible. Means we can easily convert their respective phases. Students, now solid anna liquid ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, liquid anna gaseous molecule ಆಗಿ convert ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ by applying the heat or in the form of energy. And again now gas anna liquid ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, liquid anna solid ಮಾಡಬಹುದು by removing their energy. Okay, that is why we can say, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ these three physical states of matters are interconvertible. Okay, so last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು physical states of matter and chemical states of matter ನ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ವಿ. Okay, and today I am going to tell you the next part, that is the properties of matters. Okay, let us start with the first one, properties of matter. Properties of matter. Students, here there are two important properties are there. Okay, they are, first one, physical properties of matter, and second one, chemical properties of matters. So properties of matter, first one, properties of matter. First one, properties of matter. Okay, students, here two important properties are there. First one, physical properties, second one, chemical properties. So in that first one, physical property of a matter. First one, physical properties of a matter. Physical properties of a matter. Physical properties of a matter. And second one, student, chemical properties of a matter. I will write here. Chemical properties of matter. Chemical properties of matter. So these two are the properties of matter. Student, now properties ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. material property, ಒಂದು physical property, and another one is chemical property. Okay, so first one, physical properties of matter. Physical properties of matter andre ಏನು? Okay, so first note, the physical properties of matter nothing but those properties which can observe or measured without changing their identity. Okay, for example, this pen. Okay, what is the color of this pen? Actually red color. Okay, what is the color of this pen? It's a black in color. Okay, means without changing their identity we can measure or observe. Okay, now ಯಾವುದೇ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಾರ್ದೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವ? ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. Okay, melting point of water 0 degree Celsius, boiling point of water 100 degree Celsius. Okay, now ಈಗ boiling point of water 100 degree Celsius ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Means without changing their identity we can easily measure the property of a matter. Okay, and melting point, boiling point, and the density. Okay, water density is always 1. Okay, for example ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಟರ್ ನ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ವಾಟರ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ without changing their identity we can easily measurable and observe. Those properties are called physical properties. I will write here physical properties of matter. Physical properties are physical properties are those properties. Physical properties are those properties which can be observed or measured without changing their identity. Without changing the identity and composition of the substance. Composition of the substance. It is called a physical property of a matter. Physical properties are those properties which can be observed or measured without changing the identity and composition of the substances. So here there is no chemical change takes place. There is no chemical changes takes place. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, and example for this physical properties are first one color, next one melting point, and boiling point, and one more example, that is density. So these are the property we can easily observe or measure without changing their identity. Okay, and next one, chemical properties of a matter. Then students, just imagine what is the chemical properties of matter. So here also say those property which can observe or measure with changing their identity. Means here chemical change takes place. Okay, I will write here definition. Chemical properties are those properties which can observe or measure with changing the identity. changing the identity and composition of the substance. Identity and composition of the substance. Composition of the substance. So this is known as chemical properties of a matter. Here chemical change takes place. Here chemical change takes place. Chemical change takes place. So student, chemical properties andre these are the property which can observed or measured with the changing the property or identity and a composition, but here chemical changing takes place. Example for chemical properties of matter, they are example acidity. Okay, acidic in nature anta karitivala, like this, acidity and basicity. Acidity and basicity, these two are the example for chemical properties of matter. Okay students, this is about the properties of matter, physical property and chemical property. Okay, and the next one, system of units. Okay, next nodona ನಾವು system of units ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, take it out students. Physical properties of matter. Physical properties of matter ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲರ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಾರದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಅದರದ್ದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಾರದೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನ್ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಭೌತಿಕ ಗುಣಧರ್ಮಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. Here acidity and basicity are the example for chemical properties of matter. Here those property which can observe, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು by changing their identity. ಅದರ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಗುಣಧರ್ಮಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. System of units. System of units. Students, units ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು FPS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ CGS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ MKS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಕಲಿತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ a complete set of units, a complete set of units, a complete set of units for all kind of physical quantities, for all kind of physical quantities. It is known as system of units. Students, here it is a complete set of units for all kind of physical quantities. Okay, it is called a system of units. It is called system of units. Physical quantities. Students, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ physical quantity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Physical quantity, for example, this pen. Okay, this pen ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು? It is maximum 10 gram ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So here 10 gram means, 10 means it is a number and a gram it is a unit. Okay, or you can take another example, physical quantities. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ is equal to true number into unit, or you can say the combination of true number and unit is called a physical quantities or a physical units ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು again one more example, this white board, okay, ಇಷ್ಟು ಇದರದು ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 10 kg or 20 kg ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, here the board it weighs 20 kg, means here 20, what is the 20 here? 20 it is a number, and kg, what is this kg? Kg it is a unit. Okay, that is why we can simply say a physical quantities of a matter anta heltivi. Okay, physical quantities andre true number into unit. Okay, now there are several systems are there, mainly system of units. There are several systems are there, mainly first one FPS system. First one FPS system. So here students, in FPS system, here F means foot, P means pound, S means second system. Okay, so pound ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ pound, sorry, F foot. So foot means it is a length. Okay, pound mass, second means it is a time measurements. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is uses foot, pound and second, foot, pound and second as the units for length, mass, second, measurements. Okay, I will write here. It is uses foot, pound and second. It is uses foot, pound and second as the unit of. So student ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ foot ಅಂತ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮನೇಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ 10 ಫೂಟ್ ಇದೆ, 15 ಫೀಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಫೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಲೆಂತ್, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಫೂಟ್, ಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್. ಫೂಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪೌಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ 10 ಪೌಂಡ್ ಕಲ್ಲಿದೆ, 15 ಪೌಂಡ್ ಕಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಮಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, 20 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Time. It is uses foot, pound and second as the unit of length, mass and time measurements. So this is known as FPS system. And second one, CGS system. Okay, these are just a basic concepts. CGS system. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು CGS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ನ ನೀವೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. C ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, G means ಗ್ರಾಮ್, S means ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 10 ಗ್ರಾಮ್, 20 ಗ್ರಾಮ್, 30 ಗ್ರಾಮ್, 1000 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಾಸ್ ಮೆಜರಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. And yes, second. Okay, second system, that is CGS system. It is uses centimeter, gram and second as the unit of centimeter, they know length, and next gram to students mass, and second time. So idrillellaದರೂ measurement ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this is again second type of systems of units. First system FES system, second system CGS system, and third one a simple, that is MKS system. Third one is MKS system. MKS system. Here students, M means mass, K kilogram, S second. Then try. It is uses mass, then kilogram and second. Sorry, this is not a mass, it's a meter actually. It is uses meter, kilogram, second as the unit of meter. Think but it is a length measurements. Kilogram means it is a mass, and time means it is a second. Time measurements. And lastly students, SI units, or you can say SI system. Okay, this SI word is come from a French word. So SI means Système International. This word it is come from a French Système International. Système International. So this is SI word. It is come from a French Système International. Okay, it is just a slightly modified MKS system. It is slightly modified MKS system. It is slightly modified MKS system. Slightly modified MKS system. It is slightly modified MKS system. Okay students, these three, FES system, CGS system, MKS system, and SI unit system, these are the four type of a system of units. Okay, a complete set of units for all kind of physical quantity is called a system of units. In that there are four important systems are there: FES system, CGS system, MKS system, and SI units. Okay, so this is about system of